So I'm really excited to show you the new Northern Star. This is the new entry-level diesel coach for Newmar. So they have discontinued the Country Star. I like the name of the Northern Star a lot better. I can't wait to tell you more of the features that you get with this entry-level diesel. You get the VFS front suspension, so you're going to have a nice ride and drive as you travel across our beautiful country. So the Northern Star comes with 4 different floor plans. This is the 3709, and this is they also offer the handicap accessible unit here. So the 4011 will be your entry-level diesel handicap unit. I want you to see some of the storage. Again, look at the height and the depth of that compartment, and then we've got the pass-through here. Also notice we optioned this with the exterior TV. Love that. I can't show you that compartment just because of the way the pillar is here, but it is a pass-through, another pass-through compartment. Pegboard compartment, more storage, our chassis batteries, and you can see right above that we've got the optional emergency egress door. Let's go check out the 3709. Welcome to the beautiful 3709. Now this is a tried and true floor plan for Newmar, so we already know it's a winner and well loved and liked. Above me we've optioned in the overhead bunk. Again, that is driven by, you have to have the key in there to bring the bunk down. So it's also a little bit of a safe. If you need a safe place to put things, put them inside the bunk, put it up to the ceiling, and then take that key with you, you're good to go. We've got the theater seating here that we've optioned in. Love that, super comfortable. Center console with both trays, the deep and the more shallow tray here. Cup holders, we've got the chargers in here. And again, this is all new. The Northern Star is all new, so everything's new, but no more of the KIB switches here. We've got into the LCD panel, and we've got those throughout the coach. Option in the optional fireplace. And I do love this feature because there's nothing that takes the chill off the coach quicker than these fireplaces. So you can set the temperature, you can just use them for ambiance. Nice counter space here, TV on the lift, 50-inch TV is my guess there. Nice big window behind that. We've got our cabinets above, our AV compartment, and then we've got storage over on this side as well. Look at the beautiful valances, nice windows throughout this coach with the opening bottom portion. So again, you have that nice cross breeze. Then we have the beautiful solid surface countertop, residential faucets, our splash guard. We do have the gas cooktop here and convection microwave oven, spice storage here, more storage, adjustable shelves, always nice storage above our sink. And then we've got that nice big rectangle residential sink, so plenty of room to do all those dishes. And I always like the sink covers because, you know, if you don't have time to do the dishes, just hide them, right? Then we have the flip down, place for our garbage, nice big storage there. I like this as another spice drawer. You can label the tops of those lids. 2 more drawers here. Check out that nice big drawer. You've got 3 there. And then you've got the storage next to the fireplace too. So plenty of storage in this 3709. So we step back here. We've got our combo desk dinette. So that gives you that nice buffet with storage in the buffet. Again, you're going to be able to extend that table, push that in for 2 or bring it out for 4. Storage, lots of space. That's one of the benefits that you get when you do that combo desk dinette. You get more storage. The booth is nice as well because then you don't have to worry about chairs moving around. Again, the big window, residential refrigerator with the French doors, freezer, and we have our half bath with the pivot door. Pivot door is really nice because when you bring those slides in, when you're traveling, you can still easily get to the toilet here. Great storage behind the mirror there. We've got the vessel sink below. More storage. The dustpan. More storage. Just lots of storage for a small half bath. Quite a bit of space here. And then we've got the new wire panel here, which is so organized and easy for service. You're going to love it. Our technicians at National Indoor RV Centers are going to love it. And our breaker box. Then as we move back into the master bedroom, king size bed, storage underneath. We've got our extra chairs there for the dinette. And then we've got our nightstands, 110 USB on each spot there. Overhead cabinets, another display panel where you can control the lights from the bed. Wardrobe, TV, emergency exit window, and then we've got the 6 drawers below. So lots of nice storage here. Come back into our full bath. Great big shower. Now this was new for 2024. I still love it because you can sit down to shave your legs. Just really relax when you're in the shower if you want to. Push button controls on the toilet, optional emergency egress door, optional washer and dryer. Then we've got the nice vanity here. Look at all that storage behind the mirrors. Storage below. And full extension drawers with the soft close.